This is the oldest spirit that you've probably never heard of, the world's first color-changing spirit, and today we are going to be celebrating World Arak Day with a summery watermelon and feta cocktail. Arak is a Levantine spirit dating back to the 9th century. In simplest terms, it's a grape spirit, but the real terroir of the spirit comes from anise, and the anise oils in the spirit are actually what make it louche, sort of like absinthe does. This bottle, it's from Palestine, Maudi Distillery, one of the most special bottles in our library, mind-blowingly good. Normally I would just sip this, but today I wanted to celebrate summer and make this really refreshing meze-inspired watermelon and feta cocktail. Super simple. We've made a fresh watermelon cordial with a little bit of honey, citric acid, water. Zip it up, strain it, boom, done. So we've got our watermelon cordial, some feta brine, arak, topped with mint and a cube of feta. Look at this, that's gorgeous.
Are you crying?
I'm starting to tear up because it's so beautiful. That melon, fruity, salty, cheesy, really, really fresh, herbaceous, and incredible. Boom, summer. Happy World Arak Day.